Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you how to quickly add new users to your WordPress site in 2025. Perfect for website owners who want to expand their team or delegate responsibilities. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to give someone full administrator access without any hassle. First, open your browser and go to your WordPress login page. In the top right corner, click on Login. You'll see multiple sign-in options. Choose the one that works best for you. For example, you can continue with your Google account. If you're already signed into Google, logging in becomes almost instant, saving you from remembering another password. Once logged in, head to your dashboard and find the Users section. Click on it, and you'll see a list of all current users. To add someone new, simply click Add New. This brings up a clean interface where you can enter the new user's information. Now, it's time to assign a role. WordPress offers multiple roles, but to give full access, select Administrator. Then, input the new user's email address or username carefully. This is crucial because WordPress will send the invitation directly to them. Finally, click Send Invitation. The new user will receive an email with instructions to complete their registration and accept their admin role. And that's it. In just a few simple steps, you've securely added a new administrator to your WordPress site. With this process, managing your team and user permissions becomes seamless, helping you run your site more efficiently than ever. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more WordPress tutorials.